Beware is named for its use of the hazard logo, not for any folding difficulty. So this one's actually not so hard to fold, and you can get a decent amount of repeats on not so much grid. I don't remember exactly what grid I used for this, but it's not terribly much. It wouldn't be more than like 32 or 48 divisions. And so you can get all of this, and I've got clusters of 4 triangles on one side and on the opposite side, well, depending on how you're thinking of making the cluster. And these clusters are alternating between each other, and it's the same idea as some of the tessellations that I've taught for Advent of Tess, for example, where you've got these clusters and each of the twists are on their own side. You want to finish the loop of twists instead of the cluster all at once to manage your pleats well.